Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import data from Excel into QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. And you are all set. Now, importing data from Excel into QuickBooks Online offers several benefits, making it a very convenient and efficient way to manage your business's financial records, because importing data from Excel can save you significant time compared to manual data entry. Instead of inputting each transaction individually, you can upload large amounts of data quickly and accurately. Now, for us to be able to import data from Excel, the interface that I have might be different from what you have because I'm using the standard plan. Now, in my case, I just need to go to the left side panel of my dashboard and hover to the expenses and click on suppliers. All right. Now, if you have a large volume of transactions or data to import, importing from Excel allows you to upload multiple records simultaneously. Of course, streamlining the process and improving efficiency. Now, from here, as you can see, I already have my supplier, but in the event you want to migrate from another accounting system or transitioning from manual record keeping, importing data here from Excel will help you maintain continuity in your financial records. All you have to do, if you have a new supplier or you also have a drop-down menu here, just click on the import suppliers. Now, you have two options. You can download a sample file. That's going to be a PDF file, which is highly suggested. But to avoid that time-consuming sample file, if you already made your CSV or Excel file, just click on the browse option here. Now, when you click on the browse option, just hover to the directory or the file that it's located. Just click on it, and from here, click on next in the bottom right corner. And as you can see, you have the option to map your fields into QuickBook fields. You have the option for the name, all right, email, phone, mobile, fax, website, and a lot more. That's why if the data has not synchronized in the template that's being asked or the format that's being asked here in QuickBooks, you might want to go back again and download a sample file, all right? Now, when you used the QuickBooks template, as you can see, it's already been corrected. All the files are ready. You also have the file, the field is in correct position, and all they're gonna do is click on next. And as you can see, these are the 10 suppliers you are ready to import. Could also filter by name, right? So it's suggested you use the QuickBooks template. And once you are happy with that, all you have to do is just import, and it'll take a... Right? And once you've done that, just click on import again, and that's it. That's basically how you import data from Excel to QuickBooks Online. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.